जय शिल प्रभुपाद। हरे कृष्णा नाम प्रभु की जय। Welcome all of you for the 45th session of Soulful Japa. So today we'll be discussing module 13, and it's a very important uh, subject which is going to change your quality of japa like anything. So be ready to hear, be excited, just like you got the golden directions and diamond directions. This is another very key factor in increasing the quality of our japa. Whatever we have done up to module 11 and 12 is actually a preparation for this. It's a preparation for this. One may wonder why we are going into all these details, Prakrita Nama and then Shakti Avasha Nama. Simply Nama is on my tongue, I will chant. Why all this, so many modules, and all this, that the Nama on my tongue is not the absolute Nama, so that is Shakti Avasha Nama, then the absolute Nama is transcendental. So all these factors, why we have to go through all these things, you will realize today why we have gone through it. All this knowledge is going to help you with something very important. There's something very important that you have to offer at the time of japa. This is actually the first point of soulful japa, in one sense. Let me read one quote. From that we will get the link of what I am talking about. Please put up the quote. Next quote. Yeah, this is a quote from Chaitanya Charitamrita, purport of Madhya Leela, chapter 15, 106 verse. I'll read it. With such faith in the holy name, one may begin a life of Krishna consciousness. But an ordinary person cannot chant the holy name of Krishna with such faith. One should accept the holy name of Krishna to be identical with the personality of Godhead himself. I can't read. Scroll it. As the Padma Purana states, the holy name of Krishna is identical with Krishna and like a Chintamani gem, a touchstone. That name is Krishna personified in sound and is therefore perfectly transcendental and eternally liberated from material contamination. Thus, one should understand that the name Krishna and Krishna himself are identical. Having such faith, one must continue to chant the holy name. Right, take off the quote. So we just read that ordinary people cannot chant with faith. And what is the faith that is required here? The faith required is that faith is in the presence of the Lord himself on my tongue, even though my tongue is vibrating a sound which made of material nature. It's a vibration created by my Prakrita tongue, not by my spiritual tongue, by my Prakrita sound, Prakrita tongue. So it's a Prakrita sound. Let us say somebody does not have faith does not understand all these things that we talked till the 12th module, up to 12 modules, whatever we have talked. It is all about, up to module 12 is about the Nama Avatara, how the Avatara takes place. He does not know all those things. He is just chanting. As per his knowledge, what is there? It's a sound that he generated with his tongue. And therefore he does not, and Krishna is non-different from his name. That also he knows. Let's say he knows that also, non-different from his name. But then he will definitely think that this material vibration is Krishna. After a few days he will wonder, how can this material vibration which I produce be Krishna? That means I can produce Krishna with my tongue. I can produce God with my tongue. That is why our acharyas have explained the Nama Avatara principles. Then his faith will shake. If he's a neophyte, somebody tells him, what are you talking? You say, you're saying it is non-different from Krishna, non-different from God, the sound you are producing. How can that be? That means God is under my control. I will also say Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. I captured God. Something is wrong in your philosophy. Immediately he will get disturbed. Because he doesn't know the facts. He should know the fact. Yes, he should tell immediately, yes, this is a vibration that I chant, no doubt. But the omnipotent Lord can come into this sound. The Nama who is non-different from Krishna is come into this sound, is residing in the sound. And this sound has become omnipotent because of the Shaktis from that Nama. This Aprakrita Nama, the transcendental Nama, the Shuddha Nama is the Surya of Satchidananda. Kalikale, Namarupe Krishna Avatara, he has entered this sound on your tongue. That is why, sir, that sound on my tongue is not ordinary sound. Now Krishna is there, the transcendental sound of Krishna is also there, but I cannot hear the transcendental sound. Even though I cannot hear the transcendental sound, I know why I cannot hear the transcendental sound. I cannot hear the transcendental sound because I don't have spiritual senses. Spiritual sound has to be vibrated with the spiritual tongue. Spiritual sound has to be heard with the spiritual ears. So I don't have either of these things. Now my spiritual senses are covered with the material senses, material tongue, material ears, material mind is covering my original senses with which I could chant the spiritual name of the Lord, which is, then there is no two names and all, Shakti Avasha Nama and Aprakrita Nama and all. There is only one name. In the spiritual world, there is no Shakti Avasha Nama. There is only one name, and that is Krishna himself. But in the material world, because I am Aprakrita, transcendental, but trapped, I am Aprakrita with Aprakrita senses, Aprakrita mind, Aprakrita ears, but all these are covered by the Prakrita mind, Prakrita senses and Prakrita ears, all those things. Therefore, today I am not able to hear the Aprakrita Nama, even though he is right there along with this sound vibration. Therefore, Prabhupada says Krishna is dancing on our tongue. And he is Krishna himself, personification of his sound. Name is personification of of his name is this sound. So now, so the neophyte gets disturbed. How can this be? Now you have heard all these things, you know the principles. This is then if you explain this much, that person will be, this is quite intelligible. Yeah? What you're telling is makes sense. At least it doesn't look as as it appears to be. That simply one vibration created by your tongue is God. No. That eternal God, He descends into this tongue, the sound vibrated by your tongue, which is Shakti Avishanama, and you associate with Shakti Avishanama through your Prakrita senses, and you purify your Prakrita senses by the association of Satchidananda filled Shakti Avishanama. What kind of Shakti means what? What Shakti has entered? Satchidananda Shakti. Again, same, iron in the fire, getting red hot. Similarly, all my senses, everything gets red hot, it gets purified. Prabhupada, these organs get purified. Become spiritual. Because Shakti Avishanama has become all spiritual. Now you touch it, then it will spiritualize our whole body, our whole senses, it will get purified. Once it gets purified, then the covering effect of this material body, material system, this yantra, the covering effect that it has got on my spirit soul vanishes. And spiritual tongue also gets activated. Spiritual ears get activated. Spiritual mind gets activated. But you have to wait for that. Okay. So now the important point, that is why I read this quote, is because ordinary person cannot chant with faith. Because what faith is got? Okay, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. I hear that sound and I chant. The scriptures, the Shastras are revealed. The Padma Purana has revealed that Krishna Nama is not different from Krishna, he is not material, he is transcendental. Okay, he has nothing to do, in the sense he is personified. We just now read. Identical with the Supreme Personality of Godhead, transcendental himself. The holy name is identical and is like a Chintamani gem, a touchstone. The name is Krishna personified in sound and is therefore perfectly transcendental, eternally liberated from material contamination. It does not have any material contamination. What to speak of material, being a material sound? It does not have any such. It is nothing to do with matter as such. It is transcendental. Padma Purana. Faith in this is what is being as a basic faith in Nama Japa. Now I'll elaborate what is this. In module 13 I have explained. When somebody is before me, I see him with my senses. That means I feel his presence in front of me through my senses. That presence is called experiential senses. Experiential presence. Because I am sensing with all my senses. So it's experiential. It's outside me, I can perceive it, I can see it with my senses. I can feel experiential presence. That is one. Suppose I cannot see somebody. Let's say a normal person, I cannot see somebody because I am blind, but he is present there. Present means is existing there. Suppose somebody tells me, behind this wall There is one person waiting for you, Mr. So and so. But I cannot experientially see him. But I heard that that means he exists there. So I have a feeling of his presence, though I have not seen him with my eyes. But he is present there. This is called existential presence. Please understand these two words, it will be very useful. I'm sorry I have introduced some words like this, but once you get used to it, their beautiful connotations are there with respect to this. Okay, just like I said, the attention touch, attention embrace, they convey a chunk of meaning for us. So similarly, this existential presence means seeing directly somebody. Experiential presence means seeing someone directly. Existential presence means feeling without seeing, you still feel. I always gave this example of how if you take a blind man in front of a mountain and he trusts me and I tell him, look, you're standing before this big mountain. So, since he has faith, he will feel the presence of the mountain there. Mountain is there, mountain is there, mountain is there. Similarly, I am blind and the Shastra says the sound on the tongue, Krishna himself is there. Krishna himself is coming on your tongue. Really? But I cannot see? Yeah, that is, we need existential faith. In our case, Shastra is saying, Padma Purana is saying, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying, Srila Prabhupada is saying that Krishna descends on the tongue. And he explains in detail also. He descends where? Into the sound that I vibrate. For the time being, that vibration becomes Shakti Aveshanama. I should immediately, as soon as Nama is produced, I should immediately hear it. Because if I don't hear it, it's gone, no. So for the time being, it is Shakti Aveshanama. As you produce, just like in the Archa deity on the altar is always standing. But here Krishna, you say, Krishna is over. You have to catch him right there, hear him right immediately. You have to catch him. That is why it is said, you have to hear him. Then only you are touching Shakti Aveshanama. Every current Nama you have to embrace with your attention. Then that Nama is not different from Krishna himself. I cannot experience. I am only experiencing Shakti Aveshanama. My tongue is not wanting million tongues. My ears are not wanting million ears when I hear this Shakti Aveshanama. But if I am able to hear the Shuddha Nama, who is residing in the Shakti Aveshanama and empowering the Shakti Aveshanama, then what will be my experience? But whether I am capable or not, today Krishna is on my tongue, Krishna is right with me, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Is it an ordinary thing? God himself with all his energies, Surya of Satchidananda, is around me. My God, how I don't realize this. There we need Shraddha. That means when we chant, now we are doing concurrent chanting, come hearing, no doubt, no problem. This faith is not a thinking, it's a off japa time training. You develop faith in the Nama You don't have to think all that I am telling in order to feel that Krishna is on your tongue. Faith is a feeling, the truth feeling. This is truth. That feeling is called faith. And we have got transcendental faith. Why? Some faith is transcendental, some faith, you can have faith which is blind belief also. Faith in the revealed scriptures is Sat, is truth. It is truth. I can believe things which are false also. May not have connection with the truth. So this is a faith in a sublime truth. The word faith is used, belief is not used. The word faith is used to denote something very sublime. So it's a very sublime truth that Krishna is on my tongue, but I am unable to experience. So we should do our japa with the feeling of existential presence of Krishna, Shuddhanama. So in Chaitanya Charitamrita, there is a technical word for this. Again, don't get scared. Prakata and Aprakata. When Krishna is before our senses, he is called Prakata. When Krishna is not manifest to our senses, he is called Aprakata. Prakata and Aprakata. Manifest and unmanifest. This is different from Prakrita and Aprakrita. No connection. Leave that aside. Sanskrit word, just like I told. What did I say? You can have experiential presence of God, and you can have you can feel existential presence of God through faith. Or you can call it as faith presence. Others is presence through our senses. This is presence through faith. But the fact is that he is there. But I am unable to see. I am not saying that I have faith that Krishna Nama is in the spiritual world. No. We are talking right here, he is there. I am not able to feel it. But I am not able to experientially feel. But I can feel with faith. Therefore, chanting has to be done with faith. That the unseen, unheard, transcendental Lord is also present on the tongue. He is present before me. That immediately alerts us, automatically gives us a feeling of none other than the Supreme Lord. I should give attention to him. Just like if a VIP comes into your house and he is a role model or you admire him, so you will all get panicky everywhere, how to receive him and, make all arrangements and turn the house inside out. Okay, tomorrow the VIP is coming to my house. Make all arrangements, is it not? Now here on our tongue, who is coming? Is he a VIP? Or is he a VVIP? Or is he a VVVVVIP? No. He is an infinitely important person, IIP. You put infinite V's. That person is coming on my tongue. Experientially, I am not a faith. Faith presence is, I should feel. And he will notice that, yes, he has got faith. He knows he cannot see me with his ears and tongue and mind, material things. But he knows I am present there. He is chanting with Shraddha, with faith that I am with him. So, one should chant and hear with faith that the sound that you chant and hear is Krishna himself. Namavatara means, we already discussed, combination of the Aprakrita Nama and the Shakti Avashanama. So they are the personalities who are on my tongue. If the person is not really there in the material world, if I think of my friend 100 miles away, let's say I create that faith presence. Actually, when I think of him, he is here, he is with me. It cannot be true, because he is ordinary jiva. But that's not in the case of the Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He can be present before you, knowing very well that you are not able to access him through your material senses. It doesn't matter. But I am present. Because out of devotion you are serving the Shakti Avashanama, I am present. I will empower the Shakti Avashanama to give you all the energies that is required to purify your mind and senses. And then when your mind and senses are purified, then I will permit you to, I will give you the gift of experiential presence. With your own senses, with your ears, and that Shuddha Nama you can chant. Shuddha Nama is Krishna. Just like Krishna's form is, unlimitedly beautiful, Krishna's sound is also unlimitedly tasty. Now what does this, how to feel this? How can one feel this? Now you understand the meaning of all the modules up to 12. Why we had to go on talking about these two things? What is Namavatara? To bring out exactly how the transcendental Nama is on my tongue, what is the relationship with the vibration on your tongue, and how serving the vibration on the tongue, giving attention to the sound on the tongue, the sound that I produce with my tongue, when I give my attention to it, automatically I am giving attention to the Aprakrita Nama, who has taken a sound feature that is similar to the Shakti Avashanama. So when I give attention here, I give attention there, automatically. So unless all these things it's not very complicated. In 2 sentences, 3 sentences, essence I have told, because these are unfamiliar things we have to talk in 12 modules. Essence is only this, Shakti Avashanama and Aprakrita Nama. Lord is completely transcendental, he cannot be material energy. He will come into the material energy for our sake, but he is transcendental. And to touch that transcendental is super ecstasy, because to touch him, whether the eyes, the deity, the transcendental deity, or just like Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he had darshan of Jagannath Baladev Subhadra in the Jagannath Puri temple. He swooned and fell unconscious, because you are seeing the transcendental form of the Lord, transcendental deity, the Satchidananda Vigraha, transcendental deity. Similarly, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was chanting, he exhibited symptoms of ecstatic symptoms, bodily symptoms, all that you can read in Chaitanya Charitamrita. That is because spiritual tongue and spiritual ears and spiritual mind, awakened mind, chants the holy name of the Lord. So our goal is also same. What is the goal of chanting? Eventually I should get purified and I should have darshan of the Lord. Darshan means, first Nama Darshan is Nama Darshan. Nama darshan is for the ears. Just like I say, I want to have darshan of the Lord. That means I am saying I should see the Lord's transcendental beauty face to face. Similarly, I want to see the transcendental sweetness of the Nama ear to ear, face to face. We say no, ear to whatever it is, with my ears, with my tongue. I want to taste that. Shastras have glorified the taste of that. Not only for the taste, of course, you can't get that taste, but you have to become liberated first of all from the material energy. Then only you can taste that. So this whole first level of association with the Nama Prabhu is chanting, hearing concurrently to touch the Shakti Avasha Nama and purify ourselves through the attention embrace, and thus we prepare ourselves while doing that, have full faith that Krishna is there on my tongue. Infinitely important person is on my tongue. It is a fact. That Shraddha should be there. Feeling of truth, yes, it's right there. And then when you chant, you will see, the more Shraddha you have, the Lord is very kind. Simply we chant the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, chant and hear continuously, uninterruptedly, concurrently and uninterruptedly. Self-purification is effected. And when self-purification is effected, our spiritual self and self-knowledge, self to Krishna knowledge, the soul and Krishna's knowledge that I am eternal servant of Krishna, all these things manifest. At that time the chanter is not in this bodily concept. Now I am a soul in the bodily concept and chanting. At that time I will be chanting without being in bodily concept. I may be in the same body, but fully awakened as a servant of Krishna, and I have got complete attachment to the holy name of the Lord. So, what is the price you have to pay for all this? For attention connection, the price you have to give is cheshta. For accelerated, rapid purification, you have to have Shraddha, that my service is being received by Krishna himself. And that Surya of Satchidananda is before me. I have got access. Just like you see, another example, I have given you this several times. If I put a rubber gloves and keep it on a heater, I can't have the experiential presence of heater. Experiential presence means, I can't have experiential presence of the heat. Heater I can see with my eyes. My hand cannot have experiential presence of the heat because of the rubber gloves. But at the same time, I can make a statement of faith. If somebody tells me, my hand doesn't know, but somebody tells my hand, you don't worry, you are just 1 mm away from such a big source of heat. And it says, don't worry, hold on like that some more time, that your rubber gloves that is covering your real hand will take heat from that heater. It will start melting. The covering will start melting. After some time, you will see gradually the heat is being felt by your hands. Finally, the entire gloves melt and you can feel the full heat. This is how gradually we advance in experiential presence of the Aprakrita Nama. It starts with Shraddha. If you have no Shraddha, you will take it away, no? Where is the heat? I don't know, I am touching some heat source. Now you should have Shraddha, have faith. Very, very fundamental to advancement in just like concurrent chanting, come hearing, this feeling of faith should be in the background mind. During japa, you don't have to create these thoughts. You think about it for some minutes, you have to contemplate, think about it, what you heard, read this module again and again. Module number 13, you hear again and again. So we move from the Lord who is the Lord, the Lord is able to, because of our limitation, He is able to give us only the prakata presence, aprakata presence, unmanifest presence. If I awaken my spiritual senses, no problem. You can have prakata presence. You can touch me with your tongue, you can touch me with my ears, you can touch me with your mind. And now another important idea I will give you. Krishna is Supreme Personality of Godhead. Krishna and Krishna's name is non-different. Krishna and his name is non-different. Krishna is Aprakrita, Krishna's name is Aprakrita, transcendental, it is non-different. As Prabhupada says, Nama is the personification of Krishna, sound personification of Krishna. Okay, so it's transcendental and it is said that Lord's one part can do any other part, functions. Like Prabhupada said, the deities can eat with their eyes. Prabhupada says somewhere else, Krishna can see with his fingers. Everything he can do with every part of his can do. This is called Advaya Jnana. It's an absolute truth. It's a nature of the absolute truth, Param Satya. So now, come to Aprakrita Nama on my tongue. Which means when you chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, is a sound incarnation. Sound incarnation doesn't limit him. That means that sound incarnation is seeing visual everything. He's seeing the room. He's seeing where you're sitting. He's hearing everything also. Other than he's hearing your chanting. Oh, how can sound see? No, sound can see. That is a nature. Because he is not different from Krishna. Everything that Krishna can do, he is doing. Oh, it's a sound. Then Krishna's mind is also there. 100%. It's not different from Krishna. That is why Nama Prabhu, full personality, he has a Nama Prabhu as a mind. As a mind, and he can see everything. Where you are sitting and chanting, everything. This will make us, shake us up and make us sit up. Nama Prabhu is, I have invoked Nama Prabhu, I have welcomed him, he is right there. He is seeing me, not only he is hearing me, seeing me and everything. I should give full, whatever due respect for an IIP, I should be able to give. That is where the bhavana comes. Soulful japa begins. So soulful japa begins with Shraddha that God is before me. The unlimited Lord is before me. Okay. So, one thing, mindful japa without Shraddha will purify us. But With Shraddha, mindful japa will accelerate purification. Very fast you progress. Faith in what? What is the minimum faith? The transcendental Lord is also there. Krishna himself is present here. I cannot see him, but he knows I am chanting his name. He knows I am chanting his name. He knows I am giving my attention. He is receiving the attention through the Shakti Aveshanama. Just like the garland offered to the deity is being received by the transcendental Lord directly. Similarly, everything that I do to the Shakti Aveshanama, because only Shakti Aveshanama I have access to now for my senses. I should hear the Shakti Aveshanama. I should chant distinctly. Prakratanama is receiving all our services, receiving our prayers. Not that Krishna Nama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, can only hear our chanting. He can hear, he can read our mind. When he is here before us, if we make prayers to him from our heart, he can hear that. You make loud prayers, he can hear that. Just like he can see the room, he can hear what you are talking also. This all requires Shraddha. If you have Shraddha, then you will start experiencing his presence. Because he's come for that. He is waiting to give us his presence. Then the purification is something which happens very fast. And the more and more you chant with Shraddha that the Lord is present, next what? Our chanting goes to next level. What is that? How long the Shraddha? I want his experiential presence. How long my existential presence? Come on, I want. You get impatient, you get greedy. Krishna, you are before me, but you are omnipotent Lord. When will I experience you experientially with all my spiritual senses? When will I experience? Waiting with Shraddha, it builds up. This is called worshipping the Lord's name in separation. Because I know he is here, but he is not to be seen or heard. Just like the gopis in Vrindavan. After Krishna left Vrindavan, Chaitanya Charitamrita says that Krishna never left Vrindavan. He was there in his aprakata presence. So in aprakata presence, the gopis were relating with the aprakata presence in constant remembrance of him. Desperate. When will we see you? When will we see you? You had left us and gone. When will we see you? Similarly, when you continuously associate with Nama, with Shraddha, when will I experience what the Shastra is saying? When will I experience Shuddha Nama? So this Shraddha is very powerful, purifying, accelerates the purification. Now let us come to one more point which I have mentioned in this module. Somebody may ask, why Lord is, why can't he just give us one experience now? Then I'll become a very strong devotee. I want that experience of what Rupa Goswami is saying. Or anywhere near that, I want that experience. Now do I have to wait till I completely get purified and to get some transcendental experience? The answer is no. Because Aprakrita Lord is out of his own sweet will. If he wants, he can reveal to any, even an ordinary new devotee sadhaka, for a second he can reveal himself that taste, special taste, extraordinary taste. And when that happens, all his hair will stand on the ends. Incessant tears, he cannot stop. These are all the symptoms that happens. When one is touched by the Lord himself, he can do that. Krishna did that for Dhruva Maharaj, did that for Narada Rishi. Narada Muni was a small boy. As a small boy, when he was meditating, he had the experience, he got darshan of the super soul, and all his senses got enlivened. What an experience he had. Then the Lord disappeared. Then he tried meditating, so many things he did. Repeated all the procedures, concurrent chanting, come hearing, all that. He did that. Ultimately, the Lord, he decided that, okay, you are not ready, sir, but I have given you a little taste. Come on. I can do anything. But you have to prepare yourself. Then he got the divine voice, which said that now you practice sadhana, purify. Just to increase your attachment for me, I have given you this little experience. Nama Japa also, Nama Prabhu is very merciful for a sincere seeker. Devotees do get once in a while, even though they are not pure, even a neophyte devotee also, he gives some moments of, it can happen in Kirtan, it can happen during Japa, moments of experience which cannot be forgotten. But such experiences are very much treasured by the devotee. He does not publicize it, he does not tell anybody, because the truth, if it is insulted, it will be an offense. If it is truth, if it is the truth that God has actually come and shown you, and you tell somebody and he laughs at it, gone. You making him offend that truth. So you should not tell. You can tell to your mentors who, to guide you, especially to the mentors, you can tell to make sure that this is not my imagination. The imagination also possible. You are simply begging the Lord, and without your imagination, all of a sudden that can happen. That will happen by the Lord's mercy, His sweet will. You don't have to chavi your imagination. You're craving for that presence of the Lord. How long I am having presence, I am having faith in your presence, faith in your presence. How long you are hiding behind the wall, please come forward. Waiting with Shabda Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare. The Lord will say, don't worry, you are waiting. There is a purpose for that. Your waiting will purify your mind and senses. Everything will get purified. Your waiting is a price that you are paying. Your waiting with faith is a price that you are paying. One day, all your covering will melt, just like rubber gloves melted. Don't worry, that is why. But still, if you want, once in a while I will do a miracle. The Lord will reveal Himself to devotees. But one has to chant with faith, one has to know all these basics, one has to know. Okay. In one sense, if you see the Chesta Ruchi, Kriya Chesta and the Jnana Chesta of chanting and hearing the divine names of the Lord is not an ordinary thing. Chesta is applied on serving the Nama. So there is a Ruchi there. Again, I want to tell you, that is not the intrinsic Ruchi of Nama. There is something called intrinsic Ruchi of Nama. That is different. That comes at the advanced stage. That sweetness of the Nama. But here, the sweetness of serving the Nama. Chesta Ruchi. That Ruchi you get now. That is why you don't want to stop chanting. If you do concurrent chanting, come hearing, that there is a divine taste already beginning now. But now, and if you add faith to it, it becomes very powerful. And finally, you go on like that, you you'll crave for the experiential presence. Just like somebody wants to meditate. Okay, I want to meditate on the super soul. I'll meditate because I want to have darshan of him. So you are meditating. Suddenly you're meditating on his form. Suddenly he manifests. So when you're meditating, you're meditating with existential presence of the Lord. And when you are ready, purified, he manifests his transcendental experiential presence. He becomes prakata. Lord is in my super soul, is in my heart, everybody's heart. But he is not prakata for us. But you can feel the super soul with Shraddha, with faith. That is called existential presence. You feel, a devotee always feels the existential presence of Paramatma. Because he is after experiential presence of Krishna, he is not putting any separate endeavor for experiential presence of super soul. We are not saying, okay, I want to see the super soul. I want to see the form of the super soul. That's not our process. Our process is to have existential presence. Feel the existential presence through faith of the Paramatma, who is our Chaitya Guru, and who, along with the external Guru, by combined, they take me through the path of Bhakti Yoga, purify me, and then deliver me for experiential presence. So one more, okay, now let us do one round chanting. Before that, one quote, put that quote. Glories of the holy name. All this will increase the quality of our practice also, practice session. नाम विनु कलिकाले नहीं आरा धर्म सर्व मंत्र सारा नामा यही शास्त्र मर्म. In this age of Kali, there is no religious principle other than chanting of the holy name, which is the essence of all Vedic hymns. This is the purport of all scriptures. The principles of Parampara system were strictly honored in previous ages, Satya Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga. But in the present age, Kali Yuga, people neglect the importance of the system of Shrauta Parampara, or receiving knowledge by disciplic succession. In this age, people are prepared to argue that they can understand that which is beyond their limited knowledge and perception through so-called scientific observations and experiments. Not knowing the actual truth comes down to man from authorities. This argumentative attitude is against the Vedic principles, and it is very difficult for one who adopts it to understand the holy name of Krishna is as good as Krishna himself. This is a key thing. Holy name of Krishna is as good as Krishna himself. Since Krishna and his holy name are identical, the holy name is eternally pure and beyond material contamination. It is the Supreme Personality of Godhead as a transcendental vibration. God himself as a sound personification. The holy name is completely different from the material sound as confirmed by Narottam Das Thakur. Golokera Premadhana Harinama Sankirtana. Completely different from material sound. Note that. The transcendental vibration of Harinam Sankirtan is imported from the spiritual world. That descends into the vibration that we create. Thus, although materialists who are addicted to experiential knowledge, experimental knowledge and so-called scientific method cannot place their faith in the chanting of the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, it is a fact that simply by chanting Hare Krishna mantra offenselessly, one can be freed from all subtle and gross material conditions. The spiritual world is called Vaikuntha, which means without anxiety. In the material world, everything is full of anxiety. Whereas in the spiritual world, everything is free from anxiety. Therefore, those who are afflicted by combination of anxieties cannot understand the Hare Krishna mantra, which is free from all anxieties. In the present age, The vibration of Hare Krishna Mahamantra is the only process that is in a transcendental position beyond material contamination. Since the holy name can deliver a conditioned soul, it is explained here to be Sarva Mantra Sara, the essence of all Vedic hymns. This is a statement by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. A name that represents an object of this material world may be subjected to arguments and experimental knowledge, but in the absolute world, a name and its owner, the fame and the famous, are identical. And similarly, the qualities, pastimes, everything pertain to the absolute are absolute. Although Mayavadis profess monism, they differentiate between holy name of the Supreme Lord and Lord Himself. For this offense of Nama Aparada, they gradually glide down from their exalted position of Brahmajnana as confirmed in Srimad Bhagavatam. Okay, so we have our 8 minutes now. Let us do our japa. No questions today. We will talk about it. We will take it up tomorrow. Only few are there.
The process is that you chant Hare Krishna and exactly the same sound you hear. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare. You simply hear. When you say Hare Krishna, you try to hear the very sound. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare. You simply chant Hare Krishna and try to hear the sound. That's all. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare. When you chant, you must hear also. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare. While chanting, you must hear. Hare Krishna, you must give attention to hear. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare. As soon as you chant Hare Krishna, you hear it, then your mind becomes locked up. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare.
So before parting, one small point I want to make. Many devotees have reported that they don't find the need for reading the three codes now. they're able to hear Srila Prabhupada's this uh, audio file, and then they're able to do the chanting, come hearing very easily. So if that is so, you no need to read those 3 times the quotes. You can play this in the background, and then you can go on with your practice. I think now we have crossed 25th day, 26th day, and another 3-4 days, 30 days will be over, and then let us see. I will take feedback from all of you, and we'll meet again tomorrow. Please read module 13 nicely. Okay, so you can come with doubts also. Jai Srila Prabhupada, Hare Krishna Nama Prabhu ki Jai.